Hi, it's Sarah again. I wanted to talk about one of my favorite tools in dentistry, the electric toothbrush. It is very effective at removing plaque and bacteria from your teeth and is my most favorite thing to recommend to patients. I want to demonstrate on a model of teeth the proper way to brush your teeth at home with an electric toothbrush. I'll turn it on now so you can hear the way it sounds, but for the demonstration I'll have it turned off because it is a bit noisy. So I like to put the electric toothbrush right along the gum line, and you'll do small circular motions very slowly. And a lot of the toothbrushes now will have a pressure sensor. So if I turn the toothbrush on, and if I push too hard, a red light will turn on to help remind us to not push too hard on our gum line. So keep on doing small circular motions across the whole arch, and when you finish the entire arch of the front side of your teeth, you'll do the same on the inside, but you also don't want to forget the biting surface of the teeth too. Those deep grooves can trap a lot of food and bacteria.